Welcome, everyone. Is a Zenfone 8 and today I will show you how to insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. You can get it from the box where the device came in, and once you have that you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device. So let me just grab it, and you can see it right here. The pin for the tray is right on the edge. As you can see right here. Push it in, the tray will pop out slightly, as you can see, just slightly protruding, so you want to use your fingernails and just kind of pull it out completely. And in here you have space for 2 different SIM cards on either side. I'm going to be occupying only one of them, so just place it in like so with the chip outside and then insert it back into the device. And there we go. So there's the pin for the SIM card. Let's just confirm it. Whoops, and there we go. So that is how you'd insert your SIM card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.